Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Highlander maintenance light. Begin by turning your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate the multi-information display. Find and select the Settings menu. From there, you will need to locate and choose the Vehicle Settings option to continue the process. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function. Once in Vehicle Settings, you'll need to find the trip meter display. Use the display controls to cycle through the options until you see Trip A on the screen. It's important that Trip A is displayed, as this is the specific trip meter used for the maintenance light reset. After confirming Trip A is visible, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. This prepares the system for the next step. Now locate the Trip Reset button, usually near the odometer. Press and hold this button firmly. While still holding the Trip Reset button, turn your vehicle's ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep holding the button. You will see a series of dashes or zeros on the display, indicating the reset is in progress. Continue holding until the maintenance light completely disappears. After the maintenance light disappears, you can release the Trip Reset button. Now, start your engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. If it reappears, simply repeat the steps. Remember, regularly scheduled maintenance helps keep your Highlander running smoothly. For other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, find the link in the description below. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.